everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and I hope that everyone's enjoying their day so far. And today I just wanted to share with you a recipe I found online, and it is for a jalapeno popper casserole. And it is low carb, so if that's something that you're doing, this would be a good recipe for that. And you will need about 3 to 4 chicken breasts cubed, and I only used 3, and that worked perfectly for a 9 by 13 pan, so it just would depend on how large the chicken breasts are. You will need 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese shredded, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. The recipe called for a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, but I'm using a tablespoon. You will need about 6 to 7 slices of bacon chopped up, a block of Philadelphia cream cheese or any brand of cream cheese, and about 5 to 6 jalapeno peppers seeded and diced. And make sure that you use some type of glove when you're handling the jalapeno peppers. I definitely suggest that. Do not handle them without having some protection on your hands. Now the first thing you will do is make sure that the cream cheese is softened, and once it is, then start adding your garlic powder. Now I add just a little bit of the garlic powder at a time, and like I said, the recipe called for a half a teaspoon, but for me that just was not enough, so I felt like a tablespoon is what I wanted to use, and I felt like it worked out well in this recipe, but that's completely up to you. You can either use the half or as little or as much as you'd like. Now add that half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and it's going to be soupy at first, but as you mix it, it will start to thicken, and that's the consistency that you're going to want, is more of a frosting type consistency. Before I added the chicken to this pan, I sprayed it with some nonstick spray just so that way the chicken doesn't stick. And then I moved the chicken around just a little bit, and you want to kind of have little bits of space in between, not too much, just a little bit, so that way when you put the mixture on, it'll kind of melt into the chicken and not just on top, it'll kind of melt around it. So just spread that cream cheese mixture on evenly all over the chicken, and then you will add the jalapeno peppers, and I used the tongs instead of using my hands or gloves. I felt it was a little bit easier. And you may want to add it depending on the spice that you like, because I added 6 jalapeno peppers. You can add less to it because it was a little bit spicier than I thought it would be. Then I just add the cheddar cheese on top of that, and then you will bake this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. And when it's about 5 minutes till it's done, I add the bacon on top, just so that way it kind of cooks a little bit into it. It warms it up, and it's bubbly. It really is a good recipe, but like I said, if you don't want too much heat in it, just lessen how many jalapeno peppers you put on top. And like I said, I added 6, and I felt like maybe 5 would have been good enough, and I like spicy food, so it just had more of a heat to it, but it did have a nice flavor. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. And I hope that everyone has a blessed day, and I thank y'all for watching.